Break. Come on back in. Ready? Go.
Don't bend forward. Go back and front. Back and forth.
Keep the hands up, buddy.
Wait till she's closer.
Break. Get back in there. Ready? Go.
Good block.
Break. Okay. What you're doing is you're running in there, you're charging, and then you're trying to get out. Okay? I want you to slow down a little bit. Okay?
Calm
so
down.
if we're fighting here, come on, we're fighting here. I'm not going to charge her. I'm going to move in real slow. See how I am? Now I got my range. Okay? But I'm not going to stop with one hit. Okay? Come here. I'm in, moving in. Boom, boom. Okay? That's what you want to do. Now, when she starts coming at you, see what I'm doing? I'm blocking her away from me, and I'm looking for that opening. I'm not running. Now, if you do get too blocked up, do it this way instead. She comes in, she's charging me. Boom, I'm offline now. Instead of just running all over the back. Okay? So, try it again. Don't charge. Move in slow. Think about what you're doing.
Take your time.
Go. There you go. Now move off the line. That's it. Move off the line, Brandon. Move off the line. Move off the line, Brandon. Move around. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep the hands in, though. She'll get in that inside when you drop them. Keep the hands up.
Keep the hands up, yeah. Protect that head.
Slow down, Brandon.
Protect the head.
Hands up.
Even when you kick.
There you go. Good. Whoa. Whoa, break. Rule number 1. You don't hit anywhere with the black is not. Okay? There was too many shots to the face. Okay? Gotta be real careful about that because you don't want it happening to you, do you? Alright. Control. Slow down. As slow as I am talking to you. Okay? Alright. Ready? Go. Move in. Don't just stand there. Move into her. Just don't run from it.
Towards her.
Brandon, move in. Slow and calculated. She's nothing. She's just a girl. Get in there and whoop her. Break.
Turn and kneel. Oh, never mind.
Ready? Go. Move in. Calculate it. Think about what you want to do. Think about what you're going to hit. Think about what you're going to kick. Don't just swing at it. Be calculated. Now, why are you just kicking like that? What's your goal? Don't touch him. What's your goal? Okay, but why? Are you going to try and make her do something with it, or are you just swinging it to keep her back off of it? We don't want that. You cannot win a fight by trying to keep her off, because eventually what's going to happen, she's going to figure out what you're doing, and she's going to kick me with a roundhouse kick. Boom! She's going to move in and she's going to nail you. Okay? So you have to have a purpose. If I'm going to be kicking her, I'm going to kick her in the groin. Come on in here, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm going to see how calculated I am, see how I'm moving in. Boom. Now, what happens? She drops her hand, so what opens up? The head. Okay? Think about what you're wanting to do with it. Don't just swing to get her off of you, because I guarantee you that will work only 1 or 2 times, and then somebody knows what they're doing, it's going to nail you. Okay? So try again. Come on. Ready? All right. Whoop her. Whoop her. Okay? Go. Have a purpose.
Combination.
Purpose. Now go for the rest of it. When you get that head down, right?
Combinations. There you go. Combinations.
Right? Okay. Once you do it, don't stop. Don't let her chase you down. Okay? Be in control. Why don't you sit down for a second? Alright, ready? Come on.
Sam Ward,
Come on.
hands up.
Come get me.
Hands up, Sam Ward.
Come get me. Well, what did you just do? You just turned your back to me. If I really wanted to, you know what I'm going to do when you turn your back to me? Turn around.
Right back up to Sam. Get up quick.
That's what's going to happen. Okay? We don't want that. Come on, buddy.
Sam, don't turn around.
We don't want that, do we? Now, come on. Come on.
Don't turn around.
Come on. There you go. What happened?
Combinations. Combinations.
Okay. What else is happening when you kick me?
Hands are up. Go.
What's happening with me? Kick me again. What just happened?
Her face is open. Her head.
What about me? Me. That's right. What can you do about that? Okay, come on. Ready?
Great. One.
Okay, now not at the same time.
Go.
Roundhouse, you drop, I settle in. Okay? That's what we're looking for. Come on. Okay, that's one.
Great. 2 points for left hand. 3, 2.
Okay, you know what? Now I know what's coming. Come on, come on, come on. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want you to change. I want you to follow up with something. Come on.
Combinations.
Come on.
Combinations.
There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on.
Sam, get your head back. Strike.
Hey, Dawn, can I take Brandon back?
Yeah.